Mastering multitasking, the art of juggling between tasks. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language and make learning fun and accessible. Today, we're exploring a very relatable and useful phrase, juggling between tasks. This phrase captures the essence of modern life's demands, and learning its meaning and usage will not only enhance your vocabulary but also your understanding of workplace dynamics and time management principles. So, let's get started. Juggling between tasks refers to the act of managing multiple responsibilities or activities simultaneously, alternately. The key idea here is similar to that of an actual juggler who keeps several balls in the air at once. In a practical sense, it means switching your focus and efforts from one task to another, trying to keep everything moving forward without dropping the ball on any of the tasks. Imagine you're a student who is studying for an exam, working on a group project, and also needs to prepare a presentation. If you're juggling between these tasks, you're attempting to give adequate attention to each one, ensuring none of them is neglected. Being able to juggle between tasks effectively is a valuable skill in today's fast-paced world. It demonstrates time management, prioritization, and adaptability. However, it's essential to understand that while juggling tasks can increase productivity, it also requires careful management to avoid stress and burnout. Knowing when and how to focus on which task is crucial in becoming a successful multitasker. 1. Prioritize tasks. Know which tasks require immediate attention and which can wait. 2. Set clear goals. Define what success looks like for each task. 3. Use tools and resources. Leverage technology and other resources to stay organized. 4. Take breaks. Allow time for rest to maintain high productivity levels without compromising your well-being. 5. Learn to say no. Understand your limits and don't overcommit. Juggling between tasks is an art form that, when mastered, can lead to exceptional productivity and efficiency. It's about finding the right balance between your responsibilities and knowing how to navigate them without losing sight of your goals or well-being. We hope this video sheds light on how to become more adept at multitasking and enhances your English language skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay tuned.